As a homeowner in Pittsburgh, PA, you rely on your furnace to keep you warm and cozy during the cold winter months. But what if it starts making noise? Don't ignore it. Furnace noise can be a sign of a minor issue or a more serious problem. At your HVAC company, our expert technicians can diagnose and repair your furnace to ensure it's running safely and efficiently. Whether you need air conditioning repair, AC repair near me, or heating repair, we're here to help. Our team is dedicated to providing top-notch service and guidance to help you make informed decisions about your HVAC system. So why wait? Contact us today to schedule your appointment and take the first step towards a warmer, more comfortable home.